Hello, my name is Brent McCall. I am part of the product development and technical support team at Metro Home Theater Group. I'm here to talk to you today about a fairly common problem you guys run into in the field. This is voltage feedback from the display back to the sources. When you look at the way HDMI works, it's a very simple system. The source sends out a 5-volt trigger to knock on the door of the display. That is simply there to wake the display up. The display then responds with what they call hot plug detect. This is voltage back to the source to let the source know there's something there. Once that is done, then communication or EDID can start. If, however, for any reason the voltage fails, the source will not wake up the display and the display will not let the source know it's there. This happens a fair amount with TVs in the 70, 80, and 90-inch range from one of our most common manufacturers. Because of this, we've created a product called the VI2. VI2 does a couple of things for you. First thing the VI2 does is voltage injection. It will create its own 5-volt feed. It will also create its own hot plug feed. This resolves those issues of setting up between the source and the display and keeps them both awake. The next thing the VI2 does is it will actually interrupt or slow down that return voltage feed 100 nanoseconds to make sure that if you're using an AVR or some sources that don't respond as quickly, you can hear what's coming back from the display to the source. Once you've done this, everything syncs up, life is great, and it all works. The VI2 is a little tiny tool, goes typically at the source side or on the back of an AVR, and is powered for the 5-volt and the hot plug with the USB cable that it comes with. This is a great tool to have in your toolbox for when things fail. It's a great way to resolve it. Check out the VI2 from Ethereal Home Theater, Metro Home Theater Group.